So what I like most about Rainier Plank is it allows me to be authentic while not breaking the bank.
Ultimately ended up speccing Rainier for one main reason, and that's value.
They're using a lower grade cedar that's finger jointed in the back side, making up about 7/8 of the board, but allowing the face of this to have such a high grade cedar finish.
Because it's an engineered wood product, it's structurally sound and straight, and for a fraction of the cost of trying to do it with 100% clear cedar.
A engineered board with an adhered cap layer looks exactly the same as a solid board and has a higher level of stability because of the way the back of the board is. If we can save $30,000 on a project using ultimately the same material, that adds value to us as a builder, that adds value to the home, and generates that same level of longevity from a maintenance standpoint.
Even in 100% cedar, you're going to have knots in even a select grade. It's just very expensive and very hard to find a product that is completely clear. And that's where, Rainier Plank came in.
But from a design perspective, I'm a really big fan. I would definitely recommend it to a client. I would definitely prefer it as an installer. For them to offer such a beautiful grade product at a competitive price, to me, I think it's an easy choice.